Sometimes it just happens. Something so unexpected, so incredible, that it changes everything. This is one of those stories. In a world with so many languages, I made a discovery one night. I met this girl from Scotland, and something didn't sound quite right. She spoke with this Scottish accent. I barely understood a word, but suddenly she started hiccuping, and the strangest thing occurred. That hiccup sounded Swedish. Every single note was right. A perfect Swedish hiccup in the middle of the night. I froze. Could this really be? Had I stumbled upon a linguistic mystery? Finally, I'm a pioneer. I've made history's greatest find. Forget the wheel, forget electricity. I've changed the fate of humankind. I called my friend, the professor of language. Professor, you need to hear this now. I told him what I'd discovered, and silence came across the line. He said, my God, we need a study. I said, that's exactly what I thought. This couldn't wait till morning. This discovery was far too big to stop. Now every theory needs experiments, so science had to lead the way. I gathered bottles from around the world. This could take the whole damn day. First I poured a little sake, I see. Japanese, then German Jägermeister, I see. Exactly the same to me, then Absolute from Sweden, I see. Still identical, somehow I grabbed some Scottish whiskey. Surely we'd hear Scotland now. I see. Nope, Swedish again. What the hell is happening now? Call the professor. We've got evidence tonight. Every hiccup in every nation sounds exactly alike. Tokyo, Berlin, Stockholm, Scotland join the study too. Different bottles, different countries, but every HIC came through. So I kept doing research for science, France, Mexico, Italy, some bottle I can't even read anymore. Professor, why are there two phones? And why is the floor moving? We are the pioneers, the architects of HICCUP history. We've solved the greatest question in international linguistics history. Every country has its language, every culture has its song. But pour enough drinks around the world, and the hiccup sounds the bloody same. 24 countries tested, one groundbreaking conclusion: hiccups have no accent. Somebody call the professor. I can't stop the experiment.